Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to add custom filter option on your Shopify collection page. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. Also, if you have started your new Shopify developer journey, want to become a Shopify developer or customizer or store designer to make money from online as a Shopify expert, then you can also continue this video. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to my Shopify store in the admin panel. Here is my Shopify store admin panel and I'm going to open store font page. Okay, and then go to any collection page. You see, this is the collection page, and right now you can see that the filter is availability, then price, then search by best selling, low to high price, high to low price, date, old to new, new to old. Okay, but we want to add more custom option in here. Okay, to do this, we're going to Shopify admin panel, then click on the app section, then click on the all recommended app, click on it, and then go to the Shopify app store, type search, and we're going to find a app that's named Shopify Search and Discovery. Click on it, and it's totally free. This is very interesting things that this app is totally free and popular with store like your based in United States, and its rating very positive, 4.1 overall, almost on 500 review, and developed by Shopify. And here is the details of this app. Help customers find the right product and sell more using Shopify free search and discovery app. Here is the main feature, I think. Customize filter to let shopper refine their search by multiple categories. Make synonym groups to product description match the term shopper use. Use product boost to featured product you want highlighted in the search result. Add related and complementary product on the product details page. Access analytics to understand your store search and discovery. So we can learn more deeply when we start using this app, and that's why I'm going to click on the install. Okay, click on install, and you can see that here is the ready app search and discovery, and now we can set up it as our wish. First of all, customize the order of filter value. Click on here. Here is the availability and price. We can add more filter. Select source. We can select source. Age group. Brand. We can add brand and add more value. Create group. For example, FX, fxball2, then add save, then go back. You see, here is the filter brand. Now we can go to the Shopify collection page. You see there is a option named brand. Okay, also if we want we can add more things. For example, add filter, click on the source, we can add color. Right now there are no option for color, so going to click on the color, and here is the all the color. Okay, save and go to the collection page. You see there is the option named color, we can select color. Also we can add more filter option, just add filter, then click on the select source, dress occasion, category metafield, we can add it with category metafield, dress style, dress fabric, more filter standard, product type, then we can select product type. See, select all, save, then reload. You see we have added more option, product type, color, fold. We don't set the product type in the product listing time. So I hope you understand how we can add multiple customizable search filter in our Shopify online store using this free Shopify app, and it's developed by Shopify, so we can be sure that it's totally risk free and valuable for any Shopify online store. Also you will find more option of this app. Search product boost, you can choose product to promote in your online store search result. Create product boost, we have created product boost, add new name, create new boost. We don't want to create new boost, we already created one boost. Click on here again, we want to boost this one. Okay, create product boost, select this one and add search term trending, just add trending or new, latest. This is the search term. Okay, perfect. And now go to the backend. We have added one product boost, and if we search anything right now like new, you see the product show on the top, or trending, you should see this product show on the top on the search result, trending. Okay, also here is the others option, recommendation by Shopify search. You see this product or recommendation, we can add more related product or change any product from here. For example, for animal, these three product will be recommended, but we can change it as our wish, it's auto generated. Also if we go to the settings, then we can set up everything. For example, on the filter, empty value, choose how filter value with no matching product are show on your store, show at end, show in default order, hide, search relevance, search result, choose what result appear for customers in the search result page. We can select only products, pages, blog post, or select everything. Predictive search result, choose what result appear for customers in the search bar. Query, product, collection, pages, blog post, we can select it. Out of stock product, choose what order you want to out of stock product to appear on your search result, including predictive search result. At the end, not at all, mix it with all others result. So you can control everything using this search and discovery plugin. It's super easy. So I hope you understand how to add custom filter option on Shopify collection page in your Shopify online store. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.